Hallo en welkom terug hier by Farmspace. Ons staan by Boer Industrial Technology Ekspo in Klerksdorp. Ons gaan gesels met Cromwell. Ons gaan hoor by Romario oor hulle, wat ek moet gou reg, dis die Kennedy Big Box uit 573. Dis hoeveelheid stukkies toerusting wat daarin het. Dit is indrukwekkend, dis omtrent so lank soos Romario homself. Hy gaan ons bietjie deurvat, wys wat hom so spesiaal maak en dan kyk ons of ons kan aanklank vind by dit. Kom ons hoor dit sê hy. That's Romario, how are you?
Hey, good thanks, how are you doing?
Fine man, I just tell them this box is almost as tall as we are.
Yeah, no, this is a real Kennedy big box.
It's a 573 tools.
That's right.
Tell me, where did it launch? Tell me the history about this box.
Yeah, so we launched this at Electromining. We did our very first Electromining earlier this year, and we got a lot of exposure on this box. We've come up with a fully comprehensive workshop toolkit suitable for many industries from mining, agriculture, engineering, manufacturing, automotive. It's really what the people wanted, and it's something that we've designed and made a custom build.
Across industries, not just...
Yeah, it's as we go through it, you'll see how versatile this box is.
Let's have a start. If you can open the present up here.
All right. So on the top chest, we've got some engineering tools here. We've got some dies, we've got taps. So for the guys that have their own machines and workshops, they want to do their own work.
Something that can...
Absolutely, yeah. So we made sure that we covered as much as possible, from your 1/4 inch to your 3/8 ratchets, all your deep sockets, different accessories there.
Do you get a ladder?
A ladder?
Yeah, it's as tall as me. I'll have a ladder to get over.
Yeah, no, you might have to go on your tippy toes, but yeah, so we got the ratchet spanners, very nice, from a 6 to a 32.
If you can talk to us quickly about the quality of the tools that you included in this box.
Yeah, this is our brand, our house brand. It's Kennedy. We're one of the key, we're actually the OEM of Kennedy. It's a lifetime guarantee product. It's suitable for heavy industrial applications, very strong in mining, automotive.
Yeah.
Really where breakdowns cost you more money than what replacing tools are.
I got what you say,
know,
yeah.
so it's all about how you spend your money, how you choose the right tool for the right application, and something that won't let you down. And that's the Kennedy brand, yeah. So we've covered everything from strap wrenches, automotive fuse sets. There's scrapers.
You even have this.
Yeah, so that's all the fuses. This is more directed to the automotive guys.
So we have the engineering guys at the top now. We have the automotive guys. What else?
Exactly, yeah. So again, this is workshop. You've got your hacksaw, junior hacksaw, welding clamp. So also caters to the welders. This we've left open. You can. Yeah,
there's always more tools that I want.
Absolutely. Yeah. So I mean, again, this box is fully customizable. You can choose. You can take things out.
Okay, so that's my question. There's 573 tools.
Yeah.
Can I tell you I want more of this and that and that, and you will?
Absolutely. Yeah. Okay. You can optimize this as much as you want. If there's stuff in here that you really won't use, we're able to remove it. We do the foam cutting as well, which is good for tool management and tool control. So the guys that do inspections and that sort of thing, if you can see if something's missing, so then you'll
quite easily
it's
see.
It's just better for tool management, basically. Yeah. More for the automotive guys, we've got compression testers, we've got timing lights. These drawers are also rigged. You've got your deburring tools. So yeah, it's quite comprehensive. You've got your belt punches, you've got blades. Again, we've left some space.
Like you said now.
If you want to add some more stuff, this is just marketing. This is for the guys at the show. Just some things.
But you have to come if you want one of those. Eh?
Absolutely, yeah. Come have a chat with us and see what we do.
If I understand you correctly, let's just have a look at this. Okay. So this is now the bottom. Let's say the bottom part.
Exactly, yeah. So you're able to order this. You can also, if you just want the top piece, that's more suitable for you. If you want the whole solution itself, that's pretty much how we want to push this product. But yeah, this is full workshop spec.
Let's have a quick run through all of your different...
Yeah, you got your screwdrivers, your VDE for the guys working with electrical. We've got the pound through screwdrivers, so you're able to actually hit a hammer against you.
Without breaking. Yes, I've broken some screwdrivers like that.
Exactly.
You taught me how to...
So these are really built to be tested.
Yeah.
And also with the slotted shaft here, you can actually put a spanner around here and tighten it as well.
Okay.
So to give you some more torque.
Without breaking the thing.
Absolutely. Again, more power bars, precision.
Going through this thing. There's a lot of stuff here.
I mean, so basically what we're selling here is a solution.
Yeah, you only have to buy one thing in your life, and this is this
Absolutely.
box, and you don't have to worry about
And
it.
the best thing about this box is that it's a lifetime guarantee. So if anything here fails or breaks, which it
Oh,
shouldn't,
is it? Okay.
so you'll only buy this box once. Anything happens, we replace it. That's
Tools
part
as
of our
well?
guarantee. Yes, yeah.
How
So
does
there are-
the guarantee work on that?
yeah, so look, there's moving
Case
parts.
to case, yeah.
Yeah. There's moving parts are very hard to warrant, but generally any hand tool that has the Kennedy label on it, it's a lifetime guarantee product.
That's fantastic.
Then moving down to the bottom, just your normal combination spanners from a 6 to a 36. These are for the bigger guys. Typically, guys go up to a 19 mil or a 22 or a 24. This covers everything and it's all in one location, which
Yeah.
is convenient as well.
Quickly there, once again, open,
Bottom drawer we've
open.
left open if you want to put a welding helmet or any other accessory that you want to put in there for storage. That's entirely up to you. Here's all your gripping tools, vice grip, shifter, pliers, water pump pliers.
Yeah,
Yeah, you got your vice, your shifters. So yeah, from the smallest to the biggest. Oops.
the wind coming up there, yeah.
Hey, yeah, beautiful. You got your knives, your punches.
I just have to
yeah.
comment, the tools are fantastic, but this box as well is a high quality box. I don't have to worry of it breaking or something
No.
something going wrong here.
So the Kennedy boxes are made from heavy gauge steel.
Yeah.
So this is our professional box. Even the drawers, they're on ball bearing sliders. So I mean, it's they last forever.
Yeah.
And also, if anything happens, it's relatively easy to fix. Yeah, we keep spares for that as well. All the tools you can buy in a set, you can buy individually. So if you lose one item, you don't have to go and buy a whole new set. We have each component that's quite separate as well.
If I want to get my hands on this Kennedy professional box, where can I get it?
Yeah, so Bolt Engineering Distributors, they are our partner today. We're very happy to be here with them.
Yeah.
We sell through a distribution network, Bolt Engineering being very important to our business. They have locations nationwide and yeah.
And they can sort us
definitely-
out. I just have to go to Bolt Engineering and they will help me.
Absolutely.
There we go. Thank you for your
100%.
time. It is a one-stop solution. This box, if I
Absolutely.
understand you.
We don't sell products, we sell solutions.
Solutions,
and
there you go.
We're very
Thank you
proud
for your
of that.
time. Enjoy the rest of the expo en mag dit goed gaan.
Thank you very much.
Daar's right julle. Dis so by Cromwell by BE's Industrial Technology Ekspo. Dit is 'n indrukwekkende boks wat ek hom gesê het eintlik moet 'n leer kom en dit is so hoogs wat die boks is. Dis 'n een-stop opsie vir jou. Enigiets wat jy wil doen, jy hoef een boks in jou lewe te koop en dit is hierdie boks. Maak seker jy kom by BE uit en dan kry jy jou hande op een van hierdie outjies. Dis Farmspace, tot volgende keer.